Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and account. Enable mobile data and confirm your carrier allows tethering. Once done, open Hotspot settings and create a clear SSID and a strong password. Choose 5 GHz for lower latency or 4 GHz if range or compatibility matters. Make sure battery and data are sufficient, disable any VPNs or data saver features that block discovery, and set hotspot visibility to visible. This gets your network broadcasting, so the Ps5 can find it in the next step. On the Ps5, go to Settings, then Network, and choose Set up Internet Connection. Select Use Wi-Fi, then select Scan. You should see the hotspot SSID you made. Enter the password exactly, then let the console test the connection. If it fails, choose Custom during setup to manually select the band or enter DNS values. However, the default DHCP and MTU settings usually work. Make sure the phone remains unlocked and hotspot stays active while the Ps5 completes the connection test. After a successful connection test, sign into PlayStation Network and run another test to verify speeds and NAT type for online play. Make sure the hotspot stays active and limit other devices to preserve bandwidth. Watch your mobile data usage to avoid caps. If you run into problems, first toggle the phone hotspot off/on and restart the Ps5. If that fails, switch the phone's hotspot band between 5 GHz and 4 GHz, set security to WPA2, or briefly remove and re-add the saved Wi-Fi on the Ps5 to clear any pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.